To another video. So today we are going to cover the CRM and pipeline automation workflow inside the Go High level. So let's dive deep into Go High level. I'm inside my dashboard and I would go inside the opportunities tab to first of all create a pipeline from scratch. To create a pipeline, I would click this create pipeline button and name my pipeline. It should be testing 1 2 3. Then if I want to add a stage, I can also do that by clicking this button. I would say contact reply. You can add many stages, but I'm going with the one stage, which is this contact reply. Sorry, it should be at the third. Okay. So I will create this pipeline, and after going inside the opportunities tab, I can see all my stages for that particular pipeline. Here you can see this is my pipeline and all the stages. So if I have to add a contact inside this, I would add that as an opportunity. So this is myself. So you will see that the stage is always the new lead. It is not always the new lead, but because not always you have to create a new lead as the first stage. The purpose is that the stage by default is the first stage that is assigned to the opportunities. So I have created this and I would say create. So first of all, my first part of this video has been this, which is creating a pipeline. So we will move towards creating a workflow for that. So right now we are inside our workflow. I have named that workflow as testing YT. So first of all, what we would do is add a trigger. For example, when the contact replied, customer replied, like hashtag, and I would create a tag. The customer is a contact from testing form. I can add this trigger, tag. Then I would say reply channel. Reply channel is email, and yep, I think this is good. I would save this trigger. The first thing I am going to do is that I would change the pipeline stage for that contact. Update. Update. Where is it? Create update opportunity. Yep. And inside the pipeline, which we created, testing 1 2 3, and opportunity value in the pipeline stage, I would say the contact reply. I have saved this action. Then what we can do is we can also send an internal notification. Notification, a new lead required. What happened? Oops. I would say the contact and user type is all users. So I have set this internal notification also. If you want to play this more, you can add more things, more actions inside this workflow according to your own needs. That's it from my side, and if you find this video helpful, you may like the video and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.